How to check your phone model on Android using the Settings app. This is useful if you need to know your exact device model for software updates, troubleshooting, or other information. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now, scroll down and tap About Device. Here, you'll see important information about your phone, including the device name, model, Android version, RAM, storage, and other device details. To find your exact phone model, look for the Model or Model Number section. Tap it if available to view more detailed information about your device. You can also check the Android version and Realme UI version from this same page, which can be helpful when checking whether your phone is running the latest software. And that's it. You can now quickly find your phone model and other important device information directly from Settings without installing any additional app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Android tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.